I've been working in the local legal services community here in DC for over 20 years, and I've always had a focus on trying to encourage lawyers to do pro bono work to help folks in our community who are low income and cannot afford a lawyer, to provide representation free of charge, which is just so important to allow folks full access to justice when they are involved in court matters. Today's event is called a Courthouse Open House and Tour, and the idea is to invite attorneys in the community who might be interested or either are currently doing pro bono work to bring them physically to the courthouse. It's supposed to be a welcome opportunity to sort of demystify what it means to come to the courthouse. It's just an opportunity to come and see the court, meet the judges, and hopefully inspire folks to take pro bono cases.
Because there are a lot of members of our community who face really important issues every day and who don't have the resources to hire a lawyer. Perhaps it is a grandfather or an aunt trying to provide for the long-term care of children in a custody case. Perhaps it is a single father who is experiencing housing code violations in his home that is impacting the health of his children, or perhaps it is someone who has domestic violence concerns. These folks most often come to court, often 80% of the time, without a lawyer, but a lawyer can dramatically impact the outcomes in the cases.
I chose to come today because I moved to the DC, Maryland area in December of 2022, and I want to enter the pro bono field and support my community when I graduate. I'm super passionate about the interpersonal violence community, and supporting survivors and getting the chance to hear from a judge who interacts with them every day was a wonderful experience.
I came here today on behalf of the organization that I intern with. They work a lot with women of domestic violence survivors, and so I came here to gain a better understanding of how the courthouse runs and how these issues are processed